Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's the Fan Warman here, and this is my 1981 Alaska 12-inch table fan. This is a pretty good little fan. These are really uncommon fans. This is the only one I've ever seen like this. It's not the only fan I've seen like this. It's the only one I've seen banned in Alaska. I've noticed the 12-inch table fans that are banned at Tozai look pretty much the same as this one does. Well, very similar, because I used to have one until it burned out. This thing's a very good air mover, and it's really nice looking. This fan's in absolutely 100% mint condition. It has no problems anywhere. The plastic is just a tiny little bit yellowed out, but not really. It's supposed to be kind of a beige color. It was never white. But you can see in there the grill nut. That's what color it was, and that's what color it is now. So it's just very slightly yellowed. And then some of the chrome was gone off the badge. The grills have absolutely no rust on them anywhere. No sign of it starting. The blades are so shiny you can see yourself in them, and the bearings could not possibly get better. And one advantage this fan has over all my other table fans is the gears in the oscillator are all made of metal rather than nylon. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.